A Maharana denied. Clashes at the palace gates. A royal feud now on the streets. The scenes on November 25th were straight out of Game of Thrones. In the heart of the Venice of the East, is this the battle for the Udaipur city palace?
कुछ बातों को लेके सहमति भी बनी है, कुछ बातों को लेके अभी भी जो है वो विवाद है, सहमति नहीं बन पाई है.
Two brothers, one coronation ceremony, a planned visit to the family deity's temple, an attempt to sneak in, and eventual violent clashes. The Rajasthan city and a major tourist hub is at the center of a royal family dispute unlike any other.
कई तरह हूँ जो प्रशासन की जो कमियां हैं वह नज़र आई कि अतरो समय वे गयो लेकिन फिर भी दर्शन नहीं रह सके.
हम लोग 40 वर्ष पहले ऐसी चीज़ को भुगत चुके हैं और वो पुनः इतिहास को दोहराने का जो है एक प्रयास करवाया जा रहा है.
You might have heard tales of great kings and their prosperous kingdoms. But then they pass and the princes stand up against each other. Brothers become enemies for the throne, eventually coming face to face on the battlefield. Now this isn't some 16th century tale we are narrating. That's what dominated Udaipur's Monday. It is a modern tale rooted in a feud dating back to the 1980s when a royal scion moved court against his own father. This is the Mewar dynasty battle. Two factions of the great king Maharana Pratap's descendants have been embroiled in a legal battle which took a turn for the worse. And it is playing out in Udaipur, a city which saw 20 lakh tourists in 2023, averaging over 5,400 a day. The city of lakes draws droves of foreign tourists, and if you Google Udaipur tourist destinations, the first suggestion that pops up is the city palace. So what really happened on November 25th? Mewar got its 77th Maharana. Udaipur witnessed the grand Raj Tilak of Vishwaraj Singh. However, the Maharana was denied entry to the palace itself. He and his supporters were stopped outside the Eklingnath temple, family's deity.
ये जो संपत्ति है सब पारिवारिक संपत्ति है, तो किसी एक सदस्य दूसरे को अंदर नहीं आने दे, वो भी धोख देने के लिए, ये तो कहाँ का कानून है.
They have also been accused of criminal trespass. And these allegations have been levelled by the Maharana's own uncle, Arvind Singh Mewar, who manages the trust that looks after the Udaipur city palace and family deity's temple.
सिटी पैलेस पोजीशन तो उनका है और इसीलिए ये सब लड़ाई झगड़ा ना हो, इसीलिए मैं पैलेस में जा ही नहीं रहा हूँ. शायद आप सभी लोग को पता होगा, लेकिन क्योंकि कल एक ख़ास अवसर था, इसलिए पहले धोख देने के लिए जाना मैं समझता था उचित था और एक तरह से परंपरा भी है, रीत भी है, तो इसलिए मुझे जाना है वहाँ पे.
Now let's dive a little deeper into the Mewar dynasty family feud. What really led to violent clashes in Udaipur that left 3 injured? What's the story behind this modern-day dispute between two cousins? Bhagwat Singh, the 75th Maharana, had 2 sons, Mahendra and Arvind. The trust's control was given to younger son Arvind and Mahendra was kept out of it. The new Maharana, Vishwaraj Singh, is a BJP MLA. He is the son of Mahendra Singh, who was denied the trust's control by his father. Reports suggest that the tensions between the father and son rose after Mahendra Singh filed court cases against his own father. This royal property dispute began in 1983. Vishwaraj's grandfather Bhagwat Singh allegedly leased and sold several key assets such as the Lake Palace, Jag Niwas and City Palace Museum. His elder son Mahendra opposed the decision and filed a civil suit. Bhagwat severed ties and gave the responsibility of looking after the family's properties to Arvind Singh. Now the new Maharana's cousin Laksharaj Singh Mewar, also the son of Arvind Singh, has come forward with his part of the story.
ये परिस्थिति मुझे सन 84 की याद दिलाती है, जिस प्रकार का माहौल जो है वो सन 84 के अंदर जो है वो बनाया गया था, उसी का एक रूप को कल देने का जो है एक प्रयास किया गया, क्योंकि कुछ लोग जो हैं वो सरकार के पदों के ऊपर बैठे हुए, वो जैसा चाहेंगे, जिस तरफ पे सरकार को घुमाना चाहेंगे, प्रशासन को घुमाना चाहेंगे और अपने खुद के निजी फायदे के लिए कानून को किनारे करते हुए अपना जो है वो काम को और अपनी बात को जो है वो मनवाने का प्रयास करेंगे। ये कहाँ का नियम?
Laksharaj points to a simple question. If someone cites religious or traditional beliefs as the reason, would you let them enter your own home? He has also questioned the administration, claiming that Udaipur authorities were warned that such a situation may arise where violent protests could be seen around the city palace.
मेरी निजी आस्था को क्या आपके घर के अंदर मैं पूरा कर सकता हूं क्या? मेरे पास में ये अधिकार है क्या? मैं आपके घर के अंदर जाना चाहता हूं और मेरे निजी अधिकार, मेरी जो निजी आस्था है, पर वो मैं आपके घर में पूरा करना चाहता हूं। और इसके बारे में ना मैं आपको बताऊंगा, ना मैं आपसे पूछूंगा, ना मैं आपको इसके चीज के बारे में बताना उचित समझूं। अब ये गुंडागर्दी हमको जो है वो सहन करनी पड़ेगी और कानून और प्रशासन इस सोच की जो है वो मदद करेगा।
The royal family drama is public now. The administration, court of law are already involved. This Zameen Jaidad ki ladai has been going on for over 40 years now. The descendants of one of India's greatest kings are wrestling for land, seemingly quite literally. Will there be an end to this royal Mewar dynastic battle?